Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. As the festive season is here, I thought about showing you guys a few makeup looks. This video is actually a fusion of two different makeup looks. So stay with me till the end and please watch the full video. I hope you enjoy. First, I will be using a primer moisturizer on my face as I really feel it's a very important step. Next, I'm doing a normal contouring of my face to shape it a bit. Just the normal stuff and blending it as perfectly as I can because blending is very important if you don't want to end up looking like a chocolate cake. Now I'm creating the base for the next part, that is the eye makeup, and I am dusting off the extra stuff off my face and eyes. I really feel that the eye makeup is the most important part of this entire look because that will be the actual focus of the entire makeup. I am using a very rosy brown tone as the base, starting from the crease and blending it all the way down. For the eyebrow line, I'm using a light orangish tone which complements my skin tone pretty much perfectly, and for the lower lash line, I'm using the same color as I used for the upper eyelid. For the inner eyelid, I'm using a golden shimmery tone to add that extra shine in the look. Now, to shape up the eyeshadow look, I'm using a water-based cleanser on a cotton edge and shaping the eyeshadow. For the inner corners of the eye, I use the very light silver tone which gives that angel effect and delivers a radiant and eye-opening effect. I have naturally thick eyebrows, so I just brushed them and quickly filled them up. For the eyeliner, first I just made the outline and then nicely filled it all in. For a final touch, I extended the wing of the eyeliner into the lower lash line for that added drama. Now let's add that blush for the rosy tinted cheeks. Again, blending is very important because you don't want to look like strawberry shortcake. Now let's bake the festive cake. Final touch, I am highlighting the face with a bronze tone. I am using all bronzy and goldy stuff for this entire look, as you can already make out from the tutorial this far. Last step, of course, the lips. First, I'm using a matte brownish red color for lining and filling up the lips. Then a nude baby shade, a creamy texture for highlighting to make my lips more plumpy. Finally, I added shimmer to my lips with the final rosy goldish color. Well, that's it, and it's time for you to enjoy the final look. Last look, I have changed the lip color into a crimson colored lipstick and it was a complete wow. I have also posted a video about the various festive clothing styles using one lehenga, which I will link down in the end of this video. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you later on my Instagram. Love you. Bye bye.